What created the enduring mystery of Stonehenge? The ancient legends of King Arthur, the wisdom of the Druids, or the powerful secrets hidden within these ancient stones? Stonehenge Legacy invites you into one of history's most mystifying wonders, a place where myths and reality blur. The time has come. Will your fascination for Stonehenge give you the determination to solve a puzzle that has left others defeated? Only a rare few have sensed the energy humming from these ancient stones. Stonehenge has captivated generations, not only for its monumental structure, but also for its deep ties to ancient lore, kings, and hidden mysteries. Take your time and enjoy the challenge of unraveling a puzzle bound to the legacy of Stonehenge. But don't take too long. The secrets of Stonehenge Legacy await you.